Hello and welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will cover downloading and installing the Mubi app. So if you have your Fire TV already loaded, you can proceed. This will be very short, very simple. It's going to be straight to the point, and if you follow along, you're going to have this app installed and downloaded in no time. So go to Find and just scroll down to search bar where you have your keyboard loaded. Now we're looking for the Mubi app, so just navigate to M, and as you begin to spell the app, it's going to come up on the suggestions. So MUB, and you have Mubi app right there. So click on Mubi app and you find it in this blue, that's white and blue icon. Click on it and that app is going to be loaded. You have the download button here. You click on it to begin the download. When the download process is complete, all you need to do is sit down, relax, and wait for it to install. The installation process is automatic, so when it's done installing, you could find it available in your app library, or you could choose to click on the open app button that pops up there and open the app immediately. So if you find value in this tutorial, hit that like button. Let me know how your experience was in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.